Hey everyone, this is Jennifer with DP Addiction Adventures, and if you're a detective, you may be able to see what my husband's watching on TV through my glasses. But that's not why we're here. We are here to see my Slashthestash2020 post review of my diabetic turtle. So I hope you like it. It's behind frame. Enjoy it, and if you want to get it yourself, I won't be jealous, and you can join the bandwagon of turtle love. So I will see you on the other side of this clip. I want to officially welcome you to Turtle Mania. If you've been around my channel for any length of time, you know the fantastic, funny story of my first troll, which I haven't had any trolls for a while, knock on wood, but we now know it lovingly and affectionately as the diabetic turtle. And when I saw this turtle and received it, I loved it. I finished it. My daughter wanted it in her room, and so I put it in Michael's frame. It's a 11 by 14 frame. I did put some washi tape around it, and this turtle turned out beautiful for a snack size piece. Now let's get close. You can see here the drills are great, but they're very dome shaped versus cut for sparkle and shine, but they were high quality as far as no trash. The colors were vibrant, easy to work with. I had, let me pull my extras. Where are they hiding? I had a lot of extras, as you can see here. So the company did a great job. I made a photocopy of the key, ran it through my sticker maker, put it on my storage container. The design turned out really well. It was just a simple, fun design to work on. The glue was great. There were no wrinkles or bubbles. There was no sliding around. There was one area, but I think it's because I stuck my hand in it, that didn't go well. The experience was phenomenal. So I do, for a snack size piece, I have nothing bad to say about this. I'm going to give it full 5 stars. And I know this is a quickie post review, but I just want to show you that snack sizes can be fun and they can be stylish if you pick the right one with the right detail level. So thank you so much. Until next time, be blessed and happy diamond painting. Bye-bye.